Hi guys, this is LovelyAma and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to everybody, and also guys, if you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe now. Click on the subscription button there and subscribe. And also, if you're watching this video here, if you've not subscribed, do it now please. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, welcome. And please don't forget to follow me on my social medias like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. So guys, today I'm back with a new video, and in today's video we are going to trim our hair. I'm going to trim my hair. I'm going to show you how I trim my hair, so that maybe if you're out there, you don't know easier method to trim your hair, if you see this video, you see that it's easy. So let's jump into the video. So guys, these are the things you need to trim your hair. Combs, you can decide what comb you want to use, scissors, then you need your bottle spray with water in it, your leave-in conditioner or your cream, whatever you want to put in your hair. Then we are going to remove the elastic that I'm having in my hair. Then take out one of my twists, and then I will try to separate them, and after that I will spray a little bit of water on my hair. I will try to work the water inside my hair. Then I will add some of my cream, little bit of the cream. I will comb my hair. Then I will trim my hair. I will trim my ends. I would not know how much I've cut off, but I will trim enough what I think I have to trim from my ends.
There are angels all around us. We will leave our fingerprints behind. Other many wa la 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 la.
So after I'm done trimming, I will twist my hair. Then when I'm done twisting my hair, if I see anything, I don't see my hair becoming curly at the end like how I want, I will just cut a little bit off, like what I want to cut off.
Do you feel the magic in the air?
Then I'm done, and I'm going to demonstrate it a second time. So please, you just watch what I'm going to do now.
Now we are together as one. Do you believe in making history? We will leave our fingerprints behind. We will give a whole new meaning to love. Come what may, forever you are mine. Other miniwa, other miniwa. Oh, me do ya see ya see ya me no betina miniwa. Empouni e beba wakume ibintida. Empouni e besi miniwara betina. Empouni e beba wakume miniwara la la la. Empouni e beba wakume ibintida. Empouni e besi miniwara betina. Empouni e beba wakume miniwara la la. Do you believe there are angels all around us? We will leave our fingerprints behind. Other miniwa la 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 la. La 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 la. Do you believe there are angels all around us? Do you believe in dreams coming true? Do you believe everybody has someone special for them? I believe my someone is you. Do you feel the magic in the air? Do you see the sparkle in the sun? Do you know I have been waiting for you all my life? Now we are together as one. Other miniwa, other miniwa. Me do ya see ya me no betina miniwa. Do you believe in making history? We will leave our fingerprints behind. We will give a whole new meaning to love. Come what may, forever you are mine. Other miniwa, other miniwa. Oh, me do ya see ya me no betina miniwa. Empouni e beba wakume ibintida. Empouni e besi miniwara betina. Empouni e beba wakume miniwara la la la. Empouni e beba wakume ibintida.
So guys, I'm done trimming here. I'm done. And yeah, I cut a little bit here. Okay, and this is all the hair that's I cut here. From combing and trimming, when I always comb my hair and I trim it, it's always a lot for me because I have thin fine hair, so it's always a lot. So guys, this is all for this video. I hope you learned something from this. Please, if you like this video, give it a very big thumbs up and share with your friends. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. So have a blessed day, and we shall meet in my next video. Bye. Love you all, and please stay safe, stay at home, and do what like our president and ministers out there tell you to do. Okay, stay blessed. Bye. Bye.
La la